Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam and I am from Estate Experts. We are standing inside Sector 54, Sun City, Gurugram, which is parallelly connected to the main golf course road. We are inside a plot size of 500 square yards. We're there to shoot a property which has a configuration of 4-bedroom hall, kitchen, dining, drawing with an open terrace connected to this level. Now, I will take you through a little presentation about the same property, the level that we are at. This place where I'm standing right now, this is to be considered as a dining section of the property. Along with this dining section, let me also introduce you what kind of surface flooring we have here. This is a complete Italian marble, the complete Italian surface on the floor that you see on the surface of this property. Moving further, we've got the air conditioning system which is next towards the entrance wall on the left hand side. We will also showcase you, इसमें हमारे पास जो false ceiling यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, it's a huge design which we have given, which has two fans connected on this roof wall along with the beautiful chandelier. Coming to the dining section itself, this has an artistic wall which is very much vibrant and it is elegant in terms of the superior quality that the developer has delivered. I will take you through the drawing section of the property where we are at. ये इसका drawing section है. Drawing section में we have got this channel. You probably have to open it like this. This will help you to maintain your privacy when you're in talks with someone in personal. This is the drawing section. आप ऊपर में फॉल सीलिंग का डिज़ाइन देखेंगे, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली कार्व्ड है, बहुत ही एलिगेंट डिज़ाइन है, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से दिया हुआ है. ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यू विल सी यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा टाइलिंग वर्क दिया हुआ है सर, यहाँ स्टोन वर्क है. इट्स एक्चुअली अ स्टोन, नॉट टाइल, आई एम सॉरी. इट्स अ स्टोन व्हिच इज गिवन ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. टुवर्ड्स ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड वेयर द एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम इज हंग, दिस इज द वॉलपेपर, sophisticated thick wallpaper on this wall which is not going to go anywhere for the next 10 years. The sockets that I talk about, all modular, all by the branded companies out here. This is also connected with the balcony in the front. This is a door size, massive door. Again, it's kind of a window as well, because till the time you don't slide it, it seems that you're inside a drawing room which has a window. This is the balcony size. It's quite a huge balcony that we see here. ऊपर में सारा HPL का शीट्स दे रखा है, अच्छी क्वालिटी का. एक होता है ना कि आउटर फसाड बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ये वो फीलिंग देता है. लाइट्स का बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ हुआ है. ऑन द लेफ्ट you've got the HPL sheets once again. In the front you've got the toughened glass. This is all aluminium. This is not steel. So this is something a superior quality used. ये एक basically wall mount channel है जिस पे एयर कंडीशनर ये लोग लगाएंगे. So this is also there. It will be external. पानी का टैप दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पर अपने ट्रीज आप प्लांट्स कर सकते हैं. Show them the surroundings of the property once. It's a northeast facing property, corner property that we are at. Come. This was the drawing section. We are again back inside the dining section to cover up with dining section. Now this dining section can also be used as the foyer section. एक होता है ना कि घर में कोई आता है मेहमान तो ये foyer section की तरह इस्तेमाल करते हैं आप लोग. इसके साथ में ही किचन अटैच्ड है, बट किचन थोड़ी देर में मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. ऊपर में अगर मैं आपको यहाँ पर दिखाऊंगा, पूरा ग्लास वर्क हुआ हुआ है, पूरा का पूरा ग्लास वर्क हुआ हुआ है. If I close it like this, this is something, एक अच्छा डिज़ाइन इसमें दिया हुआ है. इधर की तरफ से एक बारी शोकेस दी व्यूअर्स कि क्या डिज़ाइन यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. How does it look like? इस तरफ में आप चाहें तो अपनी सुविधा के हिसाब से कुछ भी आप इसमें मटेरियलाइज कर सकते हैं स्पेस को. यू कैन यूज इट इफेक्टिवली. Towards on my left there is again a glass mirror which is given, a huge mirror wherein you can see yourself. The first bedroom that will enter now of this 4 BHK, ये जो एक यहाँ पर पेंट दिया हुआ है ये बहुत ही उम्दा क्वालिटी का है. इट्स लाइक अ डिको पेंट आई गेस. जो फिनिशिंग इसकी बहुत क्लियर आ रही है. दरवाज़ों की अगर आप बात करोगे, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द डोर्स आउट है, heavy doors. Second, we are entering inside the first bedroom. Not even we are entering, we've just entered. एक फॉल सीलिंग का डिज़ाइन देखेंगे तो बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने पीओपी का इसमें डिज़ाइन भी दिया हुआ है. फॉल सीलिंग के साथ साथ कॉर्नर्स वगैरह सब बनाया हुआ है. You will see it's an artistic wall. एक बहुत अच्छा डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है दीवार के ऊपर भी, which has LEDs embossed on towards the left and right side of this corners. इसके साथ में surface पे देखेंगे, you have this Italian on the surface. Here they have given again, इधर पूरा wooden touch दिया हुआ है, पूरा का पूरा इधर wooden design दिया हुआ है आपके corners पे भी. It's not connected with the same balcony of the drawing section. It's a separate balcony. It's a corner balcony. In fact, इधर से आप देखेंगे तो balcony size बहुत अच्छा है. यहाँ पर आप झूला लगा के अपना आराम से you can chill out, you can relax. Again, you've got the aluminium stuff, toughened glasses, a door size window door. You've got the fan out here, Daikin का AC. Now we'll showcase you the washroom. जो दरवाज़ा यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, this is a heavy door. Every door inside this property is much heavier than expected. Now, this is the washroom. It's a huge mirror. It's a huge mirror which is given here. And the design of this glass is beautifully carved. Vitra के यहाँ पर brass के दिए हुए हैं fittings, faucet वगैरह. You've got the wall mount commode seat. This has a window out here because it's a corner plot, so you can open it if you want to. Again, this has a door. If somebody wants to get inside and somebody wants to take a shower, that person will take a shower, but the water is not going to step out. Vitra की सारी fittings है, sanitary fittings. Again, यहाँ पर में भी एक शीशा दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पर आपका गीजर्स वगैरह लगाए हुए हैं. ये आपका वुडन कैबिनेट्स दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पर. Sensor operated cabinets towards your left and right. Both of them are sensor operated. You've got a drawer system out here. You've got the shoe rack down there. If you talk about the door quality out here, so the door quality is by Cuba. यहाँ पर टाइलिंग का काम काफ़ी अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करा हुआ है. In fact, before I step outside of the washroom, you'll see these are all wooden cabinets. यहाँ पर अपना आप किट्स वगैरह रख सकते हैं. Modular switches, you've got again all laminated wooden stuff. सारा का सारा laminated wooden stuff दिया हुआ है. So, we'll get inside the second bedroom of this property. Come. This is a massive size. It feels good. अच्छा, the best part to showcase. सबसे अच्छी चीज़ मैं बताऊँ क्या है? यहाँ पर आपके Bosch के speakers दिए हुए हैं internal. This is the second bedroom of this property, which is just next opposite to the entrance. This is the second bedroom. Now, if you talk about the second bedroom of this property, this has a very beautiful, a splendid, a magnificent design on the roof, ceiling, artistic wall. Once again, it's all POP work done. This is stone. This is all stonework. This is all wooden. This is complete woodwork which is done. Daikin का AC, beautiful. Crompton Greaves के यहाँ पर fan है. This is a corner plot. If you want to open the window in the evening, the best part is you'll get the natural sunlight inside your home. Let's cover up the washroom quickly. Door quality remains same. Please come. This is a drawer system which is given here. Again, it's sensor operated. I will ask my colleague to come inside and showcase to my viewers. This is the drawer system. You've got the shoe rack down beneath. This also has a mirror inside it. Second, this wash basin that you see, the faucet area, this has a drawer, a wall mount commode seat. This bifurcation is given out here with the door. ये आपका नहाने का एरिया है जहाँ पर इंसान नहाता है. दरवाज़ा यहाँ से आप थोड़ा सा वेंटिलेशन के लिए खोल सकते हैं. यहाँ पर ड्रेनेज वेसल बहुत ही अच्छे डिज़ाइन की दी हुई है, स्टेनलेस स्टील की. यहाँ पर यू कैन कीप योर अरोमा एंड योर स्टफ. दिस इज़ ऑल टाइल. दिस इज़ ऑल टाइल्स. नीचे में ऑन द सर्फेस इफ you'll see they've given anti-skid tiles on the surface of the washroom. When I talk about the sanitary fittings, पूरे घर में Witra का sanitary fittings है, which is the best in today's date. The kind of ambience light that they've given on the left hand side and on the right hand side, this looks amazingly amazing. Let's cover up the third bedroom of this 500 square yard plot. Very nicely finished, beautifully carved. This is the third bedroom of the property. Since it is a corner plot, so the developer has given you a system for the ventilation. You again open it like this and you breathe the pure breeze. This is all glass. This is all the POP work done. We've made it more artistic for you. When we talk about the false ceiling, the design is different. Every single room has a different design. Every single design is not rationally balanced with any of the designs out here. सबका अलग अलग proportion है. बहुत ही प्यारा डिज़ाइन दिया है. You talk about this. ये केबल का वायर है. You don't have to call the the electrician to actually do the cabling and all that. It's all internally done. Crompton Greaves का fan है, Daikin का AC दिया हुआ है. If I talk about the wardrobes, let's open this. अभी इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा सामान दिया हुआ है. I'm not gonna open this completely because I guess this is somewhere locked. Okay, here we go. Just give me one moment. Okay, come. इसमें अभी थोड़ा सा सामान दिया हुआ है, रखा हुआ है डेवलपर का. Since this site is getting ready for possession, this is something, the LED, the sensor operated LED that the developer has given. Second section is again filled with some stuff, so we're not going to showcase you this completely, but yes, this is more or less and similar to the last one that we have showed. This has an advantage. You've got the glass inside this. This is connected with the balcony again. The balcony size is pretty huge. It's massive. When I talk about the balcony size, जब किसी घर के अंदर आप जाते हैं balcony size को देखते हैं तो balcony size ये ऐसा होता है कि जहाँ कुर्सी डाल के आप बैठ सकते हैं, जहाँ आप दोनों तरफ से व्यू ले सकते हैं, लेफ्ट और राइट से. यहाँ पर जो आपको व्यू मिलता है, this is something, you see the sunset and you see the sunrise as well. Please rotate the camera a little bit. आसपास की सराउंडिंग्स दिखा दीजिए. ये बच्चे साइकिल चला रहे हैं. शोकेस this is the surrounding. We also have an air conditioning system which is well placed out here, which is hung on this wall. We also have a tap available here. This is again by Witra. पूरा का पूरा जो डिज़ाइन आप देखेंगे अच्छा दिया हुआ. ये सारा टेक्सचर्ड है वॉल पे अच्छे से. The door quality, when I talk about ये door quality जो है एल्यूमिनियम के doors हैं, इसमें toughened glass लगा हुआ है. This is again the same door as carried away with the theme. Come inside. Let's showcase them the washroom area. This is again, it's a sensor. See, you touch it, it's one touch. This is sensor. So Witra की fittings है sanitary की. Once again, faucet में आपके wash basin में ये कैबिनेट्स वगैरह दिए हुए हैं अंदर सामान रखने के लिए. दिस इज़ अगेन अ डोर. यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा इन्होंने चैनल दिया है, बड़ा नहीं दिया है इसलिए क्योंकि कोई बुज़ुर्ग अगर घर में है तो उसका पैर ना स्लिप हो. विट्रा की फिटिंग से यहाँ पर आप कुछ प्लांट कर सकते हैं. Here is the space where you can keep something if you want. If you want to remove this plant, you're more than welcome. Exhaust fan is given on the top of the roof, and these are all tiles, anti-skid tiles on the surface. यहाँ पर इन्होंने प्लाई लगाया हुआ है, शीशे का डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है, बहुत ही प्यारा. आप अंदर आके एक बार दिखा दीजिए. So possibly when we talk about the surface of the floor, this has a wooden flooring by a branded company that they have a tie-up with. This has a warranty of at least 10 years plus. So now the time is where we have to showcase you the last bedroom, which is going to be the fourth bedroom. Before we do that, ये दरवाजे देखोगे आप, यहाँ पर हैंडल्स वगैरह क्यूबा के हैं, जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया ब्रास के हैं. क्वालिटी के साथ कोई भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं किया गया है. दिस इज़ द fourth bedroom of the property, which is the master bedroom, and everybody would be surprised what is inside the master bedroom, and I'm going to showcase you this deadly today. Come with me. A beautiful space, a beautiful surrounding in the heart of the city. If you get such kind of a bedroom, you'll be amazed, you know. Daikin ka air conditioner on the wall, as in every bedroom it's the same. Wallpaper दिया हुआ है बहुत ही sophisticated quality का, which is very much thick. This is all board, उसके ऊपर डिज़ाइनिंग दिया हुआ है. This is all velvet है, ये cushion velvet. In the center we've got a stone work done, पूरा का पूरा stone है, ये marble है. Again you've got the same design that I mentioned to you earlier. Wallpaper, the fall ceiling design is different. Fan का डिज़ाइन भी देखेंगे, it's ideal, it's iconic. You talk about the lights on the ceiling, जो fall ceiling के साथ में जो lights है, you can actually drag them according to your convenience. Along with this, on the surface you'll see it's actually an Italian flooring. So we'll step outside once again, and it's an aluminium door size window, and the door that I say always. If you see outside the master bedroom, when we talk about the balcony space, on the roof of this balcony there is an extensive work done. बहुत ही अच्छे से beautification दिया है. ये सारा का सारा आपको armored है. This is a bedroom that one will expect. यहाँ पर आप टेलीविज़न का कंसोल लगा सकते हैं, यहाँ पर आप LED वगैरह भी प्लेस कर सकते हैं. The drawers that I want to showcase you, this is all sensor operated. You drag it, you close it. This is all the cabinets में आप सामान रख सकते हो. You've got your shoe rack beneath down there. You've got another rack out here. The same, it would be similar. Again, you've got a space to put your shoes. You've got the space to put your stuff. This is the master bedroom's washroom. This is brass, not coated. This is pure brass. All by Vitra. The faucet, the countertop of this is nice. This is again the cabinet drawer system. You want to keep your morning kits. Wall mounted commode seat. You've got a channel out here. You've got the shower area. You've got the tiles out here which has been placed. Vitra ki fittings hai. Amazingly work done. The third bedroom is little similar. Third bedroom ka jo washroom hai is little similar to the fourth bedroom's washroom, but there is a difference. The way it has been organized, it's little nice. So what I have showcased you was the washroom of the site of the property. You've got a small round shaped glass. अच्छा है, thick भी है और अच्छा भी है. You can actually see yourself. This was the fourth bedroom of the property. So we'll step outside the fourth bedroom, which was the master bedroom that we have covered of the property. We are again inside the dining section. This dining section is very well connected to the powder room of the site where we are at. If you talk about the powder room, यहाँ पर tiling work अच्छा दिया हुआ है, glass का designs दिया हुआ है. See, this is beautiful. बहुत प्यारा design दिया हुआ है आपका Vitra का. The wash basin that you see is made up of very elegant stuff. Wall mount seat. This matches the symmetry, I mean the color of the walls and the stone which is placed here. Now if I have to purchase this property and if I'm sitting here with my family and if I am having my dining space here, this is the terrace area, small terrace area which is connected with the balcony out here. ये देखेंगे आप पूरा का पूरा टेरेस एरिया है, ये पूरा स्टील का स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है, ओपन टेरेस एरिया है, ये किसी और फ्लोर में नहीं मिल रहा, सिर्फ इसी फ्लोर में मिल रहा है। एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम्स आपके वेल प्लांटेड हैं यहाँ पर, आपको वहाँ पर गीज़र भी दिया हुआ है पानी का एट दैट कॉर्नर। दिस इज़ अ ह्यूज पैसेज दैट यू गेट, इट्स अ ह्यूज पैसेज, यहाँ पर पानी का टैप भी दिया हुआ है। So let's get back inside the site, inside the apartment. This is again, you drag it like this, and then you close it and then you open it. So last which is left is the kitchen. Come, we'll take you through the kitchen of the property. Once you enter inside kitchen, you will feel gala. It's actually a huge kitchen. You'll feel it's like gala time that you can spend with your family members. All the designs are encrypted so well that they have all the LED lights out here placed, which matches the color of the Italian flooring which is done here. On the left hand side you'll see all tiling work, on the right hand side you'll see all the tiling work. These are all wooden cabinets. ये cabinets एक बारी दिखा दीजिए। These are all wooden cabinets. This is the storage system. See, this kind of storage you get to keep your cutlery. This is again a storage wherein you can keep your grains and many more things, etc., etc. This is a chimney which is by CAF. आपका cooking oven जिसमें आप खाना बनाते हैं, बर्नर वगैरह, ये भी कैफ का है। कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ बिल्कुल भी नहीं करा है क्वालिटी के साथ। द डिज़ाइन ऑफ द सीलिंग आउट हेयर इज़ अमेजिंगली ब्यूटिफुल। इट्स मोर ब्यूटिफुल देन आई could ever imagine at times, because I've seen most of the developer floors, but I haven't seen this kind of design anywhere else except this place. Now, this is a countertop which is water resistant. It is a stain resistant, इसमें stains नहीं आएंगे। ये आपको wash basin दिया हुआ है। You can move in your vessels like this, open up the water if you want. You can move it here and then you can open up. You've got the garbage box down there. You've got the OTG. You probably, this is I guess sealed. So we'll still take this off for my viewers and we'll showcase you. This is by CAF, inbuilt inside the kitchen. This is a groove, a tall groove, wherein the cabinets will be installed. So don't you worry about it. We'll give you everything finished. There is still the work is happening. This is again a cabinet section to keep your storage stuff. पंखा दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर, फैन दिया हुआ है ऊपर में. You've got the wires out here, RO के लिए. You've got the exhaust fan. You've again got the balcony connected to this level, which is the front. ये आपका डाइनिंग से ये ड्राइंग सेक्शन दिखाया था, इसके साथ में ही ये सेम balcony है that you will share with the kitchen space. Once and for all, last but not the least, I want to cover up the most important security system of your house, which is the biometrics mechanism. You probably have to use it. You'll be able to use it once you get the code encrypted in this. Nobody would be able to enter inside your premises except you or somebody who has a code. This mechanism, biometrics, is by the company called Yale. This is a surveillance system which is installed here by the company called TVS. You'll see that sound system on that ceiling. You'll see the sound system over here. So there are two sound systems which are pre-installed. Today, to wrap up with, I will summarize the complete categorization of this property, what we've showed you. This is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen dining drawing attached with a personal terrace. Almost, it's a terrace area. To sign off with, you were watching Anupam Gambhir. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so very much. Namaste.